Hello and welcome to Be Again Books. This is Kathleen, and today I'm excited to share a flip through of this sweet feminine farmhouse style junk journal I finally finished. It's full of soft and romantic touches, things like lace and florals and vintage linens, and kind of cozy countryside charm. Whether you're here for inspiration or relaxation or just a little peek into the pages, I hope you enjoy flipping through this with me. You have seen many of the things in this journal before. You recognize it probably. It's been over here on the right side of my desk for some time, and I've worked in it with you occasionally. And when I finally ran into this beautiful doily, I knew that I could finish this journal. I wanted to use this as this wraparound kind of closure with this crinkled ribbon and this little sweet little charm. So let's go inside and see how I have finished it off. So the charm is just pinned on, and so it can be removed. And the ribbon is just loose and uses this doily to tie around. So that can just be stored away if you want while the journal is in use. And this is a recycled Reader's Digest cover, and I have just covered it up with this beautiful like upholstery fabric, and here's the inside front cover and the inside back cover, and yeah, you'll recognize some of the things. So I have used this little vintage envelope here in the front and made this beautiful paper. It's like handmade paper, but pressed. It's a Japanese paper that I got in an art store. And I've just included a piece inside the little envelope. I could put this pretty sticker here and matched it with another stamp. This is just a little note paper. Tucks all the way behind. There's lots of room to write in this journal. It's 3 signatures, and you remember we made those together. Here's some farm implements. Yeah, more farming kinds of things. Love that. Coffee dyed paper. Here's some layered shorts. This paper pocket, maybe you remember that one. It's been quite a while that we've been working in this journal. This is just some vintage drafting paper. It just tucks behind there. There's a little tab. Here's one of those cards from the thrift store recently. We made this pocket together. I love these kinds of journals that you can write in. There's lots of room. It feels good. This is, we made this together a long time ago. Some ephemera in there. And then this is just a little decorative piece that slides over here. And then that kind of just holds it on to that little paper. Some more farm implements. Vintage. I've done some fading stenciling on some of the pages throughout. It's a little mother and daughter sewing. Vintage note paper. Some smushed hand-dyed pages. This is a beautiful piece of wallpaper border. And just this tag flip. It also just fits kind of over that short page. It's a little vintage ephemera, a little calendar, I guess. I grew up on a farm with these telephone poles lining the dirt roads. Yeah, that's a very familiar sight to me. Another one of those little stickers, stack of sticker. I just love layering things. So you can see this is a real writing journal. Lots of things to look at. Yeah, this looks like the dirt road to our farm, except that we don't grow crops. We just grow sheep. Yeah, love those images though. A little library card catalog card. More hand dyeing. Do you remember when we made this card together? And this fun little seersucker ruffle. Yeah. This is some handmade paper, very textural. And you remember making this one too. It's a wallpaper tag. This is quite a big book. Lots of pages. Antique ledger. It's November 21st, 1913. Here's a little kind of a cluster collage. Avocado dyed check, vintage check stub, and this is some of Diane's manuscript from the suitcase. Put that in that pocket. I love ticking. Some pretty washi tape. Yeah, here's a large cluster pocket and just a little piece of kind of like wrapping paper, I think. I don't know if you can see it. This paper has some flecks in it. Here's just another very simple collage on this patch pocket and tag. Here's a little torn stationery. It's got a torn edge and just this little fabric tab. And then I've done a tissue paper ruffle in this corner pocket. This has some napkin decoupage on it. Here's a little flip. It's a vintage playing card. And an envelope pocket. piece of lace. It's a pretty wraparound pocket. I think you remember this one too. And some stamped vintage ephemera. And on this side, just a little brown paper tag. Coffee dyed paper, some stamping here and there. And then here's that inside out envelope that we did, used some stamps there just to decorate that. And this tag, it's down in there. And then there's one of these cards slid behind. And then, of course, you remember this pocket, this flip out. A little bit of an old calendar scrap in there. There's room for something behind here. And then that's a nice little flip out. Yeah, that's the end. Side back. There she is. It's a simple cover and then this beautiful, beautiful doily. And a charm. Thanks so much for going through that with me. I'm going to list this for sale. It's just in time for Mother's Day this spring. And I hope you enjoyed that. I'll have another project this weekend. Thanks for spending your time with me.